Hello everyone, and to Ma'am Nancy. Today, we'll be talking about the important concept of discrete mathematics in IT. The injective or one-to-one function. Don't worry, I'll make this easy to understand and I'll give a real-life example that make it clearer, so let's begin. First, let's define what an injective function is. So, a function is called injective or one-to-one if every element in domain is mapped to a unique element in the codomain. So, in simpler terms, this means that no two different inputs have the same output, right? If two elements in the domain give the result, then the function is not injective. So, let's imagine this is in a real-life situation. Think of assigning ID number to students. So, if each student has a different ID number, that's an injective relationship because each student is matched to one unique ID. But if two students share the same ID number, then it is not injective because two inputs student lead to the same output ID number. In mathematics, we can express these rules as if J is equals to A, then A must equals to B. That's how we know a function is injective, right? Example, suppose we have a function fx is equals to x plus 3. So let's test some values. If x is equals to 1, then f is 1 is equals to 5. Why? Because 2 times 1 plus 3 is equals to 5. Another is if x is equals to 2, then f2 is equals 7 because 2 times 2 is equals to 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So another, if x is equals to 3, then f3 is equals to 9 because 2 times 3 is equals to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So each input gives a different output. So this is an example of function is injective. Now another function is if x is equals to the power of 2, then if x is equals to positive 2, then f2 is equals to 4. Why? Because 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4. Why? Why 4? Because 2 times 2 is equals to 4. And if x is equals to negative 2, then f is negative 2. Then the equal is positive 4 because negative 2 times negative 2, it will result to the positive 4. So, here's the two different inputs. Positive 2 and negative 2 give the same output is 4. That means fx is equals to x to the power of 2 is not example of injective, right? So, to sum up, an injective or one-to-one function means that every input has a unique output and no two inputs share the same result. You can test this by checking if FA is equals to FB implies that A is equals to B. If that's true, then the function is injective. So that's all for today.